Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me on today's episode. And today's episode is dealing with how to write a curriculum vitae or CV. Please take note, there is so much that can go into making this document, from education to hobbies to references. There is so much. But for simple purposes, if you want for me to make a full detailed curriculum vitae where nothing is missing, please click down in the comments below. But on average, this same one which we are going to write can also work. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out anything. So to get started, just go down in the link in the description below to get this template to help you to follow easily what we'll be doing, so it will be easier for you, to save you a lot of time and effort. So here what we'll do is we'll start with the name. So please take note, the information I'll be writing here will just be willy-nilly. So here you just come and write your name. I'll put Mwansa, that's the name. Mwansa will be the name. The last name for this person, you see, whatever, something like this. Gender, I'll just put male. Date of birth, I'll just put any date which I think of, which can be 1999/04/1. If you want, you can go vice versa, it doesn't matter that much. Your nationality, just leave it as Zambia here. Then your NRC number, which you have to write the NRC number, which I'll be guess working here. This one also like this with this. That can be here residential while you stay per province. So me, I'll put maybe something would be Lubanda. So let me just arrange this in order. So just here to help it. Okay. The other one, I just go back here, leave out some space, put in the phone number, which is, give out some space here. Then I'll put 260975 like that. So please take note, this is not an actual number. I'm just going fast because it's hard to explain this in a short minute video, a few minutes with a lot of videos. So these are for just demonstration. Then email address, maybe I'll put changa@gmail.com. Then on the profile, if you have something to write about this, you can write or add more, remove this, but I'll leave it. This is good enough. It's very good. Even on personal objectives, it's okay, we can leave that out. Then we come here on the year. What we can do here on the year is that we write the year when we started the school for grade 7. I'll put this person started maybe 1981, because maybe it might not make sense because of the years where I put it. They finished maybe 1985. So if it doesn't make sense, it's okay, because this information is not that correct anyway. This is for testing purposes, don't forget that. So the name of school where this person went to Mama Secondary School, that's where this person went to. Also now the qualifications obtained, we don't change anything. Also here we come and just audit the year again. Now we put 1986 with this, then maybe something like 1991. So One thing I've come to remember is that the years are not the same as the date of birth, and it's okay. Yeah, then assuming this person did also the secondary school at the same school here, we do nothing here. We just come and do anything, just come and adjust here, then we're done. Also here we change nothing. Also here we come and just put we just come and change the years. Also here 1991, so 1992, maybe to something like 1995. We come and readjust this properly. So if this video does go, I think I also make one also on the phone, on the mobile phone, how to do this, because this one I'm using a laptop. So for those maybe who don't have, so I'm assuming that's the same school. And yeah, that's how you make a simple curriculum video for this video. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, have any questions for me, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bells, so that when I upload new content, which is educational, business, any kind of things, you don't miss out. I was your host, Richard Mbita, and come and check out the next video after this. So see you next time.